The 2010 Ferrari F430 Veilside Premier 4509 by Wheels Boutique. While most tuners are focusing on the new Ferrari 458 Italia, Premier 4509 is looking to bring inspiration towards an older model. The Japanese tuner has previously unveiled a Veilside tuning kit for the old F430, and now Wheels Boutique has upgraded that very same model with, wait for it, a new set of wheels. The full package will still be limited to just 300 units. For the exterior, the Veilside package includes a new front bumper, side skirts, a new rear bumper, and a rear wing. Now, the car has been made even better with a new set of wheels from Wheels Boutique. They come in 20 inches for the front and 21 inches for the rear, and are painted in gloss black with a chrome lip. Finishing off the new wheels will be Pirelli PZero tires. The only thing missing from this news is actually the piece of information we are most interested in. The tuners have stated that the F430 has received a GruppeM airbox and a new Novitec exhaust system, but the results of those additions have yet to surface.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.